Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to pour resin on a bottle bottom on a spinner. I'm pretty excited about this. So just to explain my setup really quickly here, I've got a cake spinner underneath here. It works really well. On top of it, I have a plastic shower cap, and then I've got this hexagon canvas, which is being held on here with two tiny pieces of double-sided sticky tape. And then I have my plastic bottle bottom. So I'm going to be using Mixed Media Girl Artist Resin. I already mixed up all my resin and all my colors. I'm using 3 colors. The Lumidust Blue-Green mica powder, and then white and violet resin dyes. Now you may be wondering what's going on here. Basically, to reduce waste, I've put a bunch of silicone molds down here in what I think will be the splash zone. So we'll see. All right, and then I'm gonna just use my mixing cup. There's a little bit of clear in there. So I'm gonna pour pretty slowly in here. Resin mixes together a lot more than acrylic paint. So you've gotta go pretty slow. I'm also pouring in larger layers than I would with acrylic paint, which will also help lessen any blending. Now this technique is one that I will probably try again as a clean pour, meaning I'll pour the resin colors one at a time on the bottle bottom directly instead of into a cup first. But I wanted to try this and see what happened. And I'm pretty excited / nervous about the spinner. Resin's definitely thicker than acrylic paint, so it'll be interesting to see how it moves. Okay, we've got all our resin there. I'm using about 6 ounces, maybe a little bit less. And I'm gonna put the bottle bottom in the middle here and then slowly pour over it. Okay, there we go. I am going to let that sit there for just a minute, and I'm going to let it drain. In the meantime, I'm going to turn all my cups upside down in this tray mold, and then we'll be right back. All right, I'm going to carefully lift this up. Resin's pretty sticky, so be careful. And then I do definitely want that to fill in, and I'm going to quickly torch this as well, which will make it a little more fluid without changing the pattern. It's already running off over here, so I gotta move kind of quick. I don't think my space is level here. I'm not sure why exactly. Could be because of the shower cap or something, who knows. Either way. Okay, I hope I guessed correctly on this splash zone here. We'll find out. All right, so here we go. Awesome, not bad at all. I think that's gorgeous. So I'm gonna take some of these molds out and leave some underneath here to catch the drips. And I'm gonna finish up my sides over here. Cool. I'm gonna torch real quick and then bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, so I think this was a massive success. Look how pretty that is. You see those bits of blue peeking through there. It looks gorgeous. So there you have it, folks. Bottle bottom resin pour. Sorry for that glare there. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time.